Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are making eggless red velvet brownies. You guys have requested this numerous times and I thought that this is the perfect occasion to post a video for these delicious and easy super fudgy brownies. Before we dive into the recipe, I just very quickly wanted to talk to you about my online course, Just Cheeky Cheesecakes, where I show you how you can learn to bake irresistibly unique cheesecakes without eggs, without water bath, and without gelatin. This course is for you even if you have never baked a cheesecake before. And also if you don't get cream cheese in your area, that's no problem because I have a video where I show you how to make your own cream cheese within 30 minutes, so you are completely sorted. Inside this course, I teach you over 50 cheesecake recipes and there's 3 super juicy bonuses, including an entire module dedicated just for savory cheesecakes. Oh yeah, we are going all out in this course. An even juicier brand new update is coming your way soon in the next couple of months, and that will completely blow your mind. It's almost like a part 2 for this online course, and it's going to transform your home baking business forever. And you get all of this content for lifetime access at a price that you would normally pay for a 3-hour workshop. Isn't that an amazing deal? And I would recommend that you grab it while the price still lasts because the prices will be going up soon. There's over 30 students currently enrolled in this course and they are thoroughly loving it, and they think that I am seriously undercharging for the value that they have received. The prices will be increasing soon once I launch the heavy duty update, and so if you would like to make this year the one that grows your home baking business to the moon, then enroll in the course right away. However, if you would like to get a little taster before you make this investment, download a free preview of the recipe ebook, which is one of the bonuses in the course. All the links have been mentioned down in the description box below. I'm so excited to welcome you to my course, and now let's get back to the recipe. The very first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to make the cream cheese part of the red velvet brownies first. So here in a bowl I have some room temperature cream cheese, and I'm just going to use 1 beater of my electric beaters and just mix this until it becomes a little bit smooth. Now into this I'm going to add some castor sugar, and once I've added the castor sugar, again on a low speed first, I'm going to mix this until everything is well combined, and then I'll increase the speed to medium and mix this for about 30 seconds. I'm going to use my spatula, go along the sides and the bottom of this bowl to make sure that the sugar and cream cheese mixes well, and once I have done that I will mix it again for about 30 seconds more. You want this cream cheese mix to look nice and smooth and glossy like this. Now we want this to set, so we are going to add some all-purpose flour in this. And now you're not going to directly start mixing it because the flour will fly all over the place. So just manually mix this until the all-purpose flour mixes with the cream cheese and sugar mix. And then first on a low speed, just get it started and then increase the speed to medium and mix this for another 30 seconds. And that is it. Your cream cheese mix is ready, and we'll keep this aside because we need this later on when we are assembling our brownie batter. Let's work on our actual brownie batter. Here in a bowl I have taken some hot boiling milk. Make sure that the milk is boiling hot. To this I'm going to add some vinegar. Just give it a good mix with a spoon. It will immediately begin to curdle, and immediately while it's still boiling hot we'll also add in the sugar. The idea is to melt the sugar into this curdled milk mix so that there are no granules of sugar left, and that is why it's important that you use castor sugar because it's super fine and will dissolve very quickly. Let this sit for a couple of minutes while the heat from the milk dissolves the sugar, and while that's happening we'll work on the brownie batter. So here I have some melted dark chocolate. You can melt this on a double boiler or in a microwave at about 15 to 30 second bursts until it is nice and glossy and well melted. Into this now I'll add some salted butter, and I'm also going to add some edible vegetable oil. Now what you can do is You can add all oil or you can use all butter. I like to use a mix of oil and butter. All the quantities are down in the description box below, so do check it out. On a low speed using my electric beaters, I'll just mix until the butter, oil and chocolate are mixed together roughly. Now I'll pour in the curdled milk mix which has been sweetened with that melted castor sugar. I'll add that, and now first on a low speed I'll just mix this until it is sort of well combined, and then I'll turn the speed up to medium and mix this for about 1 minute. After a minute, I'm just going to use my spatula and scrape the sides and the bottom to make sure all the ingredients combine well. And now again I will mix this on a medium speed for about 30 seconds. You'll see that a lot of air bubbles will have formed. That's perfect. Now let's add our dry ingredients. We'll begin by adding in our all-purpose flour. I haven't sifted it, I've just added directly. Now I'm also going to add some cocoa powder, some sea salt, and now we want it to be red, so I'm going to add about 20 to 25 drops of red gel food color. It's very important that you use gel color because it is highly pigmented. If you use liquid food color, it will take a lot more of the quantity for it to get that redness. Now on a very low speed, begin mixing this brownie batter, and once the dry bits are mixed together, turn the speed up to medium. You will also use your spatula and go along the sides and the bottom of the bowl, because as you can see there are quite a few dry bits that have been attached to the sides of the bowl. So now using my electric beaters again on a medium speed, I will mix this for about 30 seconds. At this point you don't want to overwork the batter. You only want to mix it until you don't see any floury dry bits there. So now as you can see, our brownie batter is ready, and all we have to do now is assemble this brownie batter. So I have a 9 by 9 inch square baking tray. I have greased and lined it with parchment paper. I'm going to pour all of my red velvet brownie batter into the cake tin, and I'm also going to just move it around so that it spreads evenly. Now I'm going to take that cheesecake mix that we made in the beginning and add dollops of it on top of the brownie batter. Then I'm going to use my butter knife and start swirling it around like so. It will make this beautiful marbly pattern, which is exactly what we want. And now this will go in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. A skewer or a knife inserted in the center must emerge clean with just a few moist crumbs. Make sure there is no wet batter attached to the knife when you check it. Then take it out of the oven and let it cool down completely. What I like to do is pop it in the freezer for about 60 to 90 minutes so that the flash of cool breeze just sort of cools it down quickly and also helps set it on the same day. I am going to slice into this. As you can see, you can get 9 large slices or 16 medium-sized slices. And my eggless red velvet brownies are ready. Look how fudgy they are. They have that paper thin crust and a fudgy gooey interior, just what you want from an ideal brownie, and they are eggless. These brownies are phenomenal and a perfect Valentine's Day treat. I really hope you give this recipe a go. If you enjoyed it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you again next time. Until then, goodbye and happy baking.